And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.
What's up, my YouTube friends, viewers, subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger taste and test video. So, what I have here is something new and interesting. Well, I think it was new and then it went away for like 5 or 10 years and now it's back. So, what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new French silk pie, which is crazy because I was like, French? Okay. Silk? Okay. Pie? No, I'm getting that. So I will be trying it and we will be ranking it just to see how it is sitting. And I'm not quite sure if it's like chocolatish or whatever the case may be, but it's funny how they fill this baby up. So they're like some, I think it's brown. I'm not quite sure if it's chocolate, brownie, whatever. And they have whipped cream on top. French silk pie. I have all these napkins here just so if it's overflowing, I can sort of wipe it down. It's crazy how they always fold this up. And right now it's like September, so it's sort of melting. Like in the winter, it doesn't melt so fast. Man, even in the summer, bro, by the time I get it, it's always melting before I come home. Don't even put this on this. So, French silk pie. And they have another one, I think it's called caramel jetta or java chip, something like that. I'll try that one later down the line. So the French silk, ooh, see, this is a good thing I put this thing here. French silk pie. Okay, here we go. Mm. For a second there, I was like, it sort of tastes like Hershey's. Okay. Mm-hmm. So I'm guessing it's not Hershey's. Okay. Man, even with the whipped cream on top, it's crazy. Bro, they fold it up so much, I can't even sort of stir the whipped cream in. Mm. Mm-hmm. It's crazy how, like, the whipped cream by itself have like, I would say 5% taste. It's like foam, but when it's mixed with something else, so that brings it out. I don't know why when I took the first couple of bites, it sort of tastes like Hershey. I'm guessing that's like the way how it tastes. It's like the closest my brain can sort of figure out what it is or what it sort of tastes like. French silk pie. So maybe some French chip. Hmm. 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 I swear, this is like, is it the hardest one? Or one of the hardest blizzard I've ever tried. Because it's like It's like trying to try it without trying to have everything overflow, especially with the whipped cream on top. Okay. Now I can sort of stir it in and try it even better. Bro, Dairy Queen just dropped their pumpkin spice blizzard, but I tried it last year, so it's pointless for me to try it this year since it's the same thing. Wow, it's crazy. Mixing the whipped cream in, busting. So with this, it was like it said French silk pie, but at the top it said it's back. So ever since I've been trying stuff for what, 2 or 3 years now, I've never seen this. So I'm guessing it was like gone for a long time, maybe 5 years, if not longer, and they sort of got it back now. But they have another new one, the one that I was saying, caramel java pie or whatever that name is. So I will be trying that one later down the line. But this one, right? Okay. Whipped cream, I don't know. Whipped cream's flavor is different. Okay, so I give this a 7.5 out of 10. Reason for that is, it's, bro, I can't differ, like it has bits of, say, I don't know if it's like chip or cookie or brownie, but there's small bits of some stuff in there. And I can't, my brain can't figure out what it is. But it is good. French silk pie. I wonder if that's why I can't figure it out, because it's like, I'm just guessing. Maybe it's some French, well, silk. Silk is like fabric to me, because I wear silk. But definitely something, this is what you call something interesting, because it's like, I don't know, like every time I try stuff, it's sort of trying to figure out what it is. I don't know why. I think my brain is just wired that way, especially trying something that I don't like, this, something that I have no idea what's in there. Sort of like trying to figure it out. Is it Hershey? Is it double chocolate chip? Is it chocolate chip? Is it macadamia nut? Is it this? Is it, you know what I mean? I don't know. I think my brain was wired that way. But 10.5 out of 10 has, it's like, it's not too sweet. It's sort of delicious, especially when I mix the whipped cream in. Sort of delicious. Bro, still can't figure it out. So, oh, it is limited edition, so it is going to go away. Because, I don't know. Still can't figure it out. I don't know why, bro. Ever since I took the first sip, and I was like, sort of tastes like Hershey's. And then I was like, the more I tried, I was like, no, this is not Hershey. I don't know why. My brain is literally trying to figure it out. Like, I don't even know why. But it's definitely something interesting. Oh, bro, this is a medium. It is a medium. Yeah, I had to say that twice. It wasn't no, what's it called? Buffering? No, it wasn't no buffering. I said it twice. Medium. I don't know why their promotion they always have their promotion in this cup. And then like their normal Blizzard is always in like the official medium cup. Sometimes I wonder if it's like the sweeter it is, it's like the cup is like this, or maybe they just put their promotion in. Then what if I order small? Would it be the same thing? Or maybe that's why they fill it up. Bro, it is crazy. At least it's bigger than the BK Blast. But definitely 7.5 out of 10. Bro, this is something I would say it's very interesting. It's not too sweet, and I think kids will definitely enjoy this. Because things like this that are not too sweet is sort of more, excuse me, it's sort of more enjoyable. Like I find things, if it's not too sweet, I find it more enjoyable. Because like, what's the point of drinking something or eating something and it's too sweet where, you know, you can't really enjoy it? What, like having 2 sips, then I have to rush to go chug some water. Like that's, I find that, like, say, ridiculous. But when it's like sweet and tasty where you can actually enjoy it, then it sort of makes you like it more, you know what I mean? But this definitely something interesting. Definitely a 7.5 out of 10. And I still can't figure it out. I don't know why I'm trying to figure it out and I know I can't figure it out. It's probably some French chip from somewhere else, or some French pie or something, and they just call it French Blizzard to like word it different. But it's actually some French pie from somewhere else that they put in there. Stop it. So yeah, so do I recommend it? Absolutely. It's not too sweet. It's actually enjoyable. Mix the whipped cream in and it'll be delicious. So yeah, I'm guessing this is it. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I will be back trying to do more stuff. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.